Everybody, it is the Conservative Coin Collector, and as you can see, my bed is a little messy. Today, I am going to clean up my coin collection on camera. I've done videos like of what's in the mug here, of what's in my cream cheese container, and I've done videos of what's in my hearts, I got a great deal on these heart tins. It was maybe a month or two after Valentine's Day, and these were on clearance for like 20 cents after being $2. Worth it. And everything else in here that's got to go in my coin vault. I just got to figure out where to start. I think I'll start with what's in this beautiful hand-etched mug and my Philadelphia cream cheese container. On top, these were on the cream cheese container. My 1900 Barber dollar can go back into my white binder. And my first Morgan dollar, which is in beautiful shape, is too big for it. I gotta see what's in these containers. Dumping up the mug, I see these. Oh, these are some. Oh, just some old Buffalo nickels I've had floating around for a while. This one is a 1935, and I think this one has no. This one's dateless. If anything, I'm gonna put it in my cream cheese container because this is going back in my vault. See, Trump 2024, which is exactly what I believe in. Going in there. I have some more sorting I gotta do off camera, or else this video is gonna be 5 hours long. I figured out the coins, and I'm gonna put in my cream cheese container in my safe because these are ones that are older, worth a little bit more money. By worth a little bit more money, I mean like I could maybe get 15 or 20 cents out of this dime here because it's clearly in rough shape. Clearly one I found in a hut somewhere or just something I bought online. I have a 47 nickel. Not really worth all that much. It's not a war nickel. It's past that stage. Oh, I think I actually have a war nickel in here. It's right here. You can tell it's a war nickel because the Monticello is right here, and it's above the Monticello. This war nickel is a 1944 Philadelphia. Just another old 1942 nickel. My faceless Buffalo nickel. Silver dime, silver dime, silver dime. We have another faceless Buffalo nickel. And this coin is from the United Arab Emirates. In the cream cheese container it goes. I found an India had sent while I was cleaning up from 1902. Yep, you're going in there. I'm going to keep some of these coins in my beautiful handcrafted mug here. If I was able to spend these, I would, because they're not really worth all that much. They're random foreigns I have no need for in my collection, stuff like that. So back on my address is going to go, well, my second beautiful hand-etched mug is. I can display these proudly. And I think everything in my cream cheese container is going to stay. I'll keep my... I thought about it. I'll just keep both of them in there. This should be full enough. And it was a chive and onion cream cheese. It's funny. Let's see if it's the expiration date. Expires the 15th of March 2024. March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So it's 6 months past date if it was actually cream cheese in here still. I'm glad it's coins and not something that would smell absolutely horrible. Inside my container here, I have all my young head or laureate portrait and King George VI pennies I have found in hunts over the years when I was doing cornrow hunts. And my last cornrow hunt I did, that I actually did on camera here, was no exception. Found a laureate portrait, that's King George, laureate, King George, and in they go. Spoil the heart tins. They were, like I said, they were originally $2. I got them for 20 cents. So I remember when I got them, the price of the 3 hearts went from like $5.64 to like 65 cents. I love a good deal, and if I ever find any more containers to bring home and put in my collection, I sure will. That being said, I got the 2009s that I found. Oh, the laureate portrait. What the heck is going on in here? This is silver. I think I found more on my table here that is going in my cream cheese container. I found silver. These are all 90% silver, aside from the war nickel here. And I found a very rusty Canadian nickel from 1954. It's probably going back in the mug. Now on to my 2009s after I take care of my silver. I'm done with my containers. I don't have any more dollar coins or half dollars. This is my half dollars and my dollar coins. I don't have any more of those. And I'm gonna have to see what's in my chocolate container. My penny book can go back. I got my 2 binders that I'm not gonna change anything with. The 2 binders, they're just gonna, these 2 binders that are my coins. Then I have this binder here, that's my dollar bills. They're just gonna rest to the foot of my bed. My bed is like, I can easily, my bed is so big, it can sleep 2 people, but it's just me. But if I brought a coin lover girl home and we hit it off, I could definitely clear off my bed and, well, this is a family-friendly video. Let's not get into that. So, I gotta put this back in my safe here. And I actually found it's not a dollar coin, but it's a troy ounce of silver. A troy ounce of silver right now is over $30. It's actually $30.58. So, silver is up right now. It's actually, it's funny, I'm looking at the silver prices, it's down 0.01 cents. So, but it's still good. It's 2014. If there's anything I'm a sucker for, it's silver. So far, I found myself a pile of spending coins. They're going to be put back into circulation, and I probably will never see them again. Oh well. What about in my chocolate box? It could be on this. Oh, yep, it is on this box. I put a date on this box. 10/17/2021. It was a birthday present for my mom in 2021. I decided to keep it because it's a chocolate box. Yeah, I either put sewing stuff or coin stuff in a chocolate box, just like this one. Or a cream cheese container, or those hearts. Of course, it's a little worse for wear. I'm definitely going to have to look for some more containers because this box has definitely seen better days. It's paper, but I don't expect it to last forever like those metal containers or that plastic container. It's just paper. But as long as I don't keep moving it, I should be fine for the time being. I have some Trump 2020 dollar bills. This dollar bill is a birthday note. It is 030255. My late grandfather's birth. I got myself a crimped up mushroom soup container I'm going to use for, these are all coins I'm going to put back into circulation. That one big machine that I recently saw put on my channel, with a coin sorter, thing's a piece of garbage. The thing died on me tonight. I was going to do a video on counting my wheat pennies, and the thing died on me tonight. And to show you how clogged it was and not good at doing its job, my mom, before putting it in a box, returning it to UPS, found all these pennies inside it. Damn thing was a coin eater. $170 wasted. But I'm getting my money back. It's all that matters. The rest of the coins are now in it. Guess I'm not done yet with the... Maybe I am. All these are in this just... Looks like a baggie that I would... the nurse would have baggies like these in case you lost a tooth and you wanted to take a tooth home. That's what the small baggie reminds me of. It also reminds me of sugar. Yeah, sugar. Silver quarter. Silver dime. Shield cent going back into circulation. Oh, these coins can stay in this baggie. It's not hurting anything. Everything in this box is staying in this box. And it's stuff I've covered on my channel a million times, and it does not need to be covered again. One thing I will show again, my oldest coin that I have. Constantine, the Great Roman Empire, circa 330 AD. He brought Christianity to the Roman Empire. Very old, very worn out, but it's from 330 AD, 330 years after Christ. To give an idea, it's over 2,000 years after Christ came to this earth. Crazy. That's basically me cleaning up the rest of my coin collection. I've made a lot of progress. I think I've organized it in the way I wanted it to, at least for now. I'm just going to call it here for now. Put everything away and go to bed because it is now 11 o'clock at night. But it won't be nighttime when you see this. It'll probably be morning. So, I'm the Conservative Coin Collector. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell icon. And until next time, I'm signing off. So long, YouTube.